Hello everyone. Our topic for the final project is improvement over the current version of Expertisa by adding links to provide detailed description of the topics to students and reviewers. I'd like to give you a brief introduction to what Expertisa had before we made the changes so that you're better able to understand why we made those changes. Expertisa is a web application developed using Ruby on Rails for online assignment assessment. It is an open source project and its code base is maintained in the Git repository. Expertisa authorizes the instructor to create new assignments.
कंटिन्यू वेळ आहे हे कट करू आपण कंटिन्यू स्टार्ट
Expertisa authorizes the instructor to create new assignments as well as परत
स्टार्ट नको करूया आपल्याला वेळ नाही तेवढा
Expertisa authorizes the instructor to create new assignments as well as modify the existing ones. Students can team up with other students in Expertisa to work on various projects and assignments. Students can also review other students' work, thus enabling peer learning. Teams had to choose a particular topic to work for in their projects. So as you can see, this is Expertisa's main page where you can see the projects and assignments. Once you select any of the assignment, you have to go inside the sign up sheet and then select for a topic. So as you can see, just the topic name is not sufficient to make a choice. Expertisa currently does not have an option to provide description for the topics in the sign up sheet. This description is needed when students sign up for a topic and during topic selection by reviewers as well. Thus, when the user has to make a choice, there is no provision to understand what the topic actually expects. At the same time, there is an export and import functionality which will also need modification to include this additional column for the descriptions of topic to be populated on the sign up sheet. This is the use case diagram wherein you can see the student, reviewer and the instructor are the actors, and as you can see in the diagram, seeing the short description of the topics, then seeing the links to get the description in details, these actions are common to all the three actors. Then depending on that, the student will select a project topic, a reviewer will select a topic for reviewing, and then an instructor will import and export the description and links for the topics.